Hello guys, hello Philippines, good day to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest update. This is the weekend edition of our tropical weather analysis for this Saturday through Monday, October 19 to 21, 2024. It's another weekend and this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. Now let's begin with our update. We have the fast developing low pressure system west of Guam. It's no longer 93W, the other one, or the first one, weakened to the east of Guam. It has been absorbed into the surface trough, and yet another system formed west of it that's now 94W. So 94W is set to become a tropical depression within the next 24 to 48 hours, and it's likely to pose a threat to Luzon, likely in the middle of next week. And here's the latest GraphSat. This was created last night, and as you can see, we have a northeasterly wind flow right now. This is slight northeasterly monsoonal flow affecting extreme northern and eastern Luzon, including the Bicol region. That's why we are feeling some fresh breeze from the northeast. And we have the surface trough here over Palawan, Southern Sulu Archipelago, and Mindanao. While here's now the new LPA 94W. It has a lower chance of becoming a tropical cyclone, but any moment it will be upgraded into medium chance of becoming a tropical cyclone. And yet there's another one here, LPA 95W to the south of Guam, which formed this morning. It's here. So this will become another cyclone in the coming days, but we are more concerned with 94W as it may pose a threat over Luzon from the eastern coastal areas of Bicol region, Catanduanes, Cacamuan Peninsula, Siruma, and also up to Batanes. So that's the potential track of this system. The computer models are yet to blend, but this afternoon, about an hour ago, we have now the very latest from the European and the American model. 12 hours ago, it shows that the American model is tracking towards Cagayan, while the European model is tracking towards the coastal waters of the Bicol region and into central Luzon. But the latest now, it's now following the track of the American model, and it looks like it's moving towards Batanes as of this latest. So thank God it happened. Okay, but there's still 3 days to go. Let's hope that the forecast of the European model and the American model will continue to move this cyclone up. Okay, so Kristine is expected to be born maybe tomorrow. So watch out for the latest updates from Pag-asa and also at Typhoon2000. We're going to update our website once it becomes an active LPA. Right now, it's still a shallow LPA, but starting to organize. Is the fast animation. As you can see, 6 hours ago, it's still cloudless, and right now, it's organizing rapidly to the east of Luzon. This is now within the Philippine area of responsibility, roughly 1,000 kilometers east-northeast of Naga City. And there's another one here, LPA 95W. And there's also one here, 96W, but I will not agree on that since it is a large troughing with lots of vorticity, and this is the more healthy systems as of this time. So that's the placement of these two LPAs. And as we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com, there you go. This is now LPA 94W. The center is somewhat here in this area, with a very large circulation. And right now it's quiet across the Philippine Islands. Some northeasterly winds across northern and eastern Luzon, Bicol region, and isolated rain showers and thunderstorms will be expected within the next 2 to 3 days until the circulation of this system goes nearer and nearer. Okay, and here's the latest European model track. The latest right now, we're going to move it on Sunday. Tomorrow, it will develop into a tropical depression. Still outside of PAR, maybe it will be relocated here. It's quasi-stationary as of this time, as it organizes. And on Monday, it's likely to enter PAR in a westerly track. And then on Tuesday, it will start to move towards the west-northwest, roughly 500 kilometers east of Bicol region as a tropical storm. And it looks like this is a large system with up to 800 or 900 kilometers in diameter. Then on Wednesday morning, the system will start to move northward. And maybe there will be a break in the ridge. That's the reason why the system is starting to move north. Because previously, the track is towards this area, which is very dangerous to Bicol and Central Luzon. And the latest now, it's now moving towards the north. So, thank God, okay, that this is now happening. Let's hope that it won't change tomorrow and the coming day, and in the coming days, I mean. And on Thursday, the system will start to move northwesterly, threatening again the areas of Batanes and Cagayan. This is the same area that was devastated by Super Typhoon Julian. Okay, and there's another one here forming in the vicinity of Marianas, northeast of Guam. And then on Friday, October 25, it will move closer towards northern Cagayan as a typhoon. While the American model, I'm going to show to you later, it's a super typhoon based on their wind forecast. So there will be some winds in the Bicol region of 30 to 40 kilometers per hour, sustained, gustiness up to 50, tropical depression force winds or gale force winds. And then on Saturday, that potential typhoon will now move towards Batanes. And it will pass just to the east of Batanes, and on Sunday, October 27, it will be along the coastal waters of eastern Taiwan. So that's a rapid change, or the sudden change of the track of the European model. Okay, and let's hope it will stay that way. But again, folks living along the eastern coastal areas of northern and central Luzon, including the Bicol region, Batanes, please take all necessary precautions. We don't know what will be the final track of this system. It's still early to tell, but it's already 3 days to go. But again, the track towards northwest is within the next 5 to 6 days, so anything can happen. It depends on the strength of the high pressure ridge up north over Japan. So let's pray that it will weaken so that system will track towards the north. And this is another system, but it's a quicker cyclone towards the north, not expected to enter the Philippine area of responsibility. So that's the good news from the European model. Now, how about the American model? It looks like the same, okay? The tracking of the American model, it shows that the system will also move towards the northwest, but it shows a landfall over Cagayan. So this is a different take on this potential typhoon, which will be named later by Pag-asa as Kristine. Okay, Kristine. So that's the spelling of the next local name of Pag-asa for the Philippine Islands, for the Philippines. And the American model also forecast a strong typhoon. So this is another typhoon, but it will track towards the north. So nothing to worry about when it comes to the American model, because usually American model, the probability of more than 3 days is still not accurate. Okay, so we are looking at the blending of these 3 computer models. So if we move this until Tuesday, that's the 3-day forecast, That's the American model, and this is the European model. So it's close, but on the fourth day, they also move the system towards the north. So that's a sudden good news for today. So to wrap up the track of these two systems, this is the American model. It will go here, and then it will track here, this way. While the European model, it will track here, and then it will go here, going to this direction, that way. So that's the new track of the European model. So let's hope and pray that it will remain this way. We will keep you updated on the development of this weather system in the coming days. Again, we will continue to pray that this system will not affect any part of the country. So this is the ensemble from the American model. The European model, gonna refresh this if they have the new one. Let me see. This is now the new one. Oh, thank God. The new one has shifted from Bicol, Central Luzon to Northern Luzon, Taiwan area. So this is now the new track of the European model. It looks like it could become a typhoon here. Orange, 970 is a typhoon. While the American model, it could become a super typhoon based on the analysis of that model. Okay. Let's take a deep breath. We're safe temporarily, because when I say temporarily, because we don't know in the coming runs, by tomorrow, maybe, but we will be issuing our very first spatial coverage on this Kristine. Okay. For the oceanic heat content, this is the reason why it will rapidly intensify into a typhoon or even a super typhoon, because the oceanic heat content is way up, more than 150. And if you take a look at the wind shear tendency for the next 24 hours, the area of the storm will eventually, the wind shear will eventually decrease, paving more intensification. And as we take a look at here, here's the center. It's not updated. It's the wrong place. It's currently here, somewhere here. So it looks like the system is in good hands when it comes to intensification process. But there is still moderate shear along the periphery. Let's hope that it will increase so that the storm will weaken. We will let you know in the coming days. Here's the rain forecast. Let's remove the pressure from the European model. This is the latest now. So every afternoon we expect passing rain showers and thunderstorms over the Bicol region and other parts of the country. And on Monday, thunderstorms over Visayas, Mindanao. Tuesday, especially in the evening, it will bring rains over Samar provinces. That's the outer rain bands of the soon-to-be tropical cyclone Kristine. And Bicol region, like the Catanduanes, will also have 50 to 100 millimeters of rainfall, while the rest of the Bicol region is from 10 to 50 millimeters. And on Wednesday, the system will start to move towards the northwest. Bicol region will still continue to experience on and off occasional rains due to the circulation of the system of up to 30 or 40 millimeters or 20 millimeters. It's not alarming. And then on Thursday, it will now start to affect the eastern coastal areas and the northern coastal areas of extreme northern Luzon, Cagayan, and Ilocos Norte, as well as the eastern sections of Isabela. So rains of 50 to 100 millimeters will be expected. But on Friday, the system will continue to expand. It's a large area of rain circulation. 50 millimeters to 100 millimeters of rainfall will be expected over the eastern sections of Cagayan, including eastern Isabela, on Friday. And that will persist through Saturday. And then on Sunday, October 27, it will move in the vicinity of Batanes. And so far, that's the forecast for the next 7 days. So I'm sure that this forecast will still change. So we will just stick for the 3-day forecast. But I'm just showing to you what will happen in the coming 3 to 5 days. As for the wave forecast, dramatically by on Sunday, tomorrow, the wave heights here over east of Luzon will increase to 2.5 meters, and on Monday it will increase to more than 3 meters, and on Tuesday and Wednesday the wave heights here will be a staggering 5 meters in wave heights due to the potential typhoon that will pass here, while over the West Philippine Sea up to 3 meters because of the northeasterly monsoonal or wind flow. The rest of the coastal waters of the country will be light to moderate in wave heights, so not suitable for fishing and sea travel, especially by Monday to the whole week. Okay, so next week it will be rough seas again, but today until tomorrow it's okay to have some fishing activities and sea travel, but on Monday to Friday to the weekend, next weekend I mean, it will be moderate to rough and dangerous to sea vessels because of this approaching potential typhoon Kristine. So there you go, that's the latest for this Saturday, October 19. We will return likely tomorrow because if that active LPA develops, we'll be issuing special coverage every day here at our YouTube channel and at our Facebook channel as well. This is Mike Padua. Stay safe always. Let's all pray to our divine Lord that the system will not make landfall or not affect any parts of the country. Stay safe always. God bless. And thank you so much for watching our channel. Thank you for all your prayers and support for making me well. I hope that I'm in good shape. I'm in good shape right now, but I'm still coping to continue my services as long as I'm alive. Okay? So, thank you so much, and bye for now.